Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTS and I'm gonna show you how to pair it with your phone. First you need to download and install the Amazfit app on your phone, and to do it you can open the Play Store app, type in Amazfit right here, tap search, and here you can install the app. I don't have the option because I already have it installed. And as you can see, I can open it right here. Let's close the Google Play app. And once you're done installing the Amazfit app, open it on your phone by tapping the icon right here. Now in the app, tap on the plus button at the top. Select Watch. Select Amazfit GTS. Now we need to scan the QR code from our watch, so let's place this here, pick up our phone, and we need to recenter the QR code inside of this frame right here. So let's do it. Let's wake up the screen first, and like that. Now it's pairing. Now we need to confirm the pairing on our watch right here by tapping the check mark. And at this point, our watch is paired with our phone and it's ready to use. And that's how you pair your watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.